Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change wallpaper on ASUS TUF Gaming laptop. To do this, first you will need to click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, then open Personalization. Right here we can find the background, and then now you can switch between different background mode. We have a picture, solid color, slideshow or Windows Spotlight. Choose whichever one you like. In this case we're gonna go with the picture. On the bottom you will find all of the recent images that you can set as your wallpaper. You can also browse for the photos if you want your own image as a wallpaper. And finally, as the last option, we can choose the fit, and you can fill it, fit it, stretch it, tile it, center it or span it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.